Types of heading in HTML. HTML contains 6 types of headings, labeled H1 through H6. Each tag represents a different level of importance for a section of content, with H1 being the most important and H6 the least. The heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, with H1 being the highest, or most important, level and H6 the least. The types of heading tags. H1, this is the main heading. H2 Section 1. H3 Subsection A. H4 Subsection. H5 Subsection. H6 Final Subsection.